The SIU, that is a Special Investigating Unit, has frozen the bank accounts of 7 companies over the 431 million rand Gauteng school sanitizing tender. That's in addition to the 40.7 million rand preservation order granted last month, which saw the accounts of 14 companies frozen. According to Daily Maverick, the money was used to procure cleaning services of companies to disinfect and deep clean schools across the province. It's understood some of the companies are not even in the cleaning business. Well, let's hear more from the Special Investigating Unit. Kaiser Kganyago joining us now. He speaks on behalf of the SIU. Ntate Kganyago, good afternoon. Last time you and I spoke on the Midday View, it was about that initial 40.7 million rand preservation order that was granted. Now you've moved further to this latest one of 22.4 million rand. It looks like you're making progress.
Thank you very much, Braden. We are making progress. Last time when I talked to you, I said that this was just a beginning. Those were the first companies that we saw movement of money that was very unusual. And we continued to do that. And then we found these 7 companies that are listed here to indicate that they were also moving money to other unidentified recipients and making sure that they dispense of all of this money with travel and accommodation. And we thought it was important for us to move in and go to the special tribunal and freeze those amounts, and that's why the 22.4 million today is the amount that we are freezing.
Is it correct, therefore, to add it to the 40.7 million of last month, to say now you're sitting at over 62 million rand, it's nearly 63 million rand, that has been frozen, or am I reading this incorrectly?
You are reading it correctly, Braden. It is over and above. Therefore, it makes it just over 63 million that has now been preserved, and it is very important. But the other interesting part, all the 7 companies that we have dealt with today are owned by one person plus his partner.
What?
All of these 7 companies. And it is a very interesting one, because when our guys went to serve them, they went to the house and found that 6 of these companies belonged to this one person. And then when they went to the partner's place, they found this guy there, and then he was also receiving this for the partner. Therefore, all of them belong to basically a guy, this man and the partner.
So these 7 additional companies belong to 2 individuals?
Definitely.
How does this happen? From as we are busy digging as a SIU, out of interest, you told me last time that some of these companies knew nothing about cleaning anything. These particular 7 companies belonging to these 2 individuals, do they know anything about cleaning, for example? Who are they?
Yeah, it's very interesting because the investigation is still going on. It is something that we are looking at. But if you look on the name alone, you have got a company called Net Vision Energy Savers. We have got a company here that is called, the names are just, the other one is an investment holding. The other one, most of them are investment holding or investment trusts. Therefore, I don't know whether they have any experience in the job that they're supposed to be doing.
So you're carrying on with the investigation. Are you expecting more similar action in the near future? Because last month we had those 14 companies. This month we've got the 7 companies. The total of this tender was 431 million rand, and we're only talking so far about 63 million rand that you've managed to freeze.
We are not even a quarter into the 431 million. Therefore, we're still going to go on and deal with this investigation and make sure that we get to the bottom of it. At the moment, we are making sure that these monies are preserved so that when we get to the end of this investigation and there's a need for us to recover this money, the money must be there available, because we don't want, when we finish maybe after 5-7 months and there's nothing that we can recover. And therefore, we start processes again of trying to get the properties and so on and so on.
Are you getting any new leads in the investigation?
Oh, definitely, we are getting new leads. We are talking to people. We are saving them with the 52A notices for them to come and then give their side of the story. Because what we want to know is, be over and above where we are now, we are going to move to the other layer to say, If the money has gone to you, to this account, and it went further to somebody else's account, why were you paid from this account?
So you're going to follow the money. You are following the money.
We're going to follow the money all the way, because if at the end we've already proven that the contract was irregular, therefore no one must benefit from a irregular contract.
Thank you very much, Ntate Kaiser Kganyago. Speaking on behalf of the SIU, we're continuing to follow the money, just having frozen accounts of 7 more companies belonging to 2 people. 7 companies belonging to 2 people. Their assets of 22.4 million rand frozen today. They are busy scrutinizing that, following the money. Last month, they froze 40.7 million rand worth of funds from 14 companies. They are carrying on to this. I mean, it's disgraceful. People who don't know anything about cleaning anything, getting part of this money from Gauteng provincial schools in terms of sanitizing tender. That was 431 million. There's still more money out there. The SIU is continuing its work. In this case, looks like they're doing a damn good job.